lot of old junk. But let me clarify something. Some of it is new junk. I know this is a lot. But for us, everything. You've met the gatherers. You may call me Kimbe. We will humbly call ourselves the gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So for those stormtroopers that see only worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past just might ensure our future. Right?
Yes.
Now you have all heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, correct?
Yes.
Correct.
Well, we hear that there's a new Jedi. And you know her name. What's her name?
Rey.
Yes, and what she is leading is this spark of hope we've all been waiting for. That is why you're here. To look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a saber is an art. The lightsaber is a reflection of the builder of the Force, flowing between them. And today, you get to feel that connection. Enough of that. Let's begin. We begin with perhaps one of the most important components of a lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. Blue, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now here, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, sometimes called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are all stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. It is now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart, your lightsaber. Indulge me for a moment, everyone. Close your eyes. Just close them and picture all the kyber crystals I've described. Which one calls to you? Now, in your mind's eye, select your kyber crystal and remember it is equally like this. We have the chassis, activation plates, grips, emitters, and toggle caps. Building a lightsaber is a very personal journey, and just as you selected your kyber crystal, you will select each party. These are your gatherers. Please allow them to guide you on your journey. And with that, let's build.
Hi friends, I'm Joy, and we want you guys for your build today, okay? So we want to make sure that we start with that chassis. We want to make sure that open hole is facing towards the sky. Next, we're going to grab that kyber crystal that you guys have selected. Inside that middle chamber, there is a spring at the top. You want to go ahead and push in that kyber crystal up towards that spring. Think of it almost like on your planet, it's like putting in a battery. It's going to be almost the same idea in the middle chamber. So you should see those vents lighting up, and you should be able to spin that crystal in the center with your finger. On your chassis, there is a blue and a red square. So with that, depending on the switch that you choose, you're going to match those colors with the ones on your chassis. You're always going to match your blue on. Go ahead and test them out. Push up and down. You should hear a spark. Beautiful. And then you heard a spark over here.
Two friends over here. We're going to go over the section of the spine. Those are active motions.
We're going to move on to steps 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We're going to pick 2 out of the 4 available squares. It doesn't matter what column, it doesn't matter what row. You just want to make sure that gold and bronze rim is the one that goes in the middle. You want to go ahead and push and twist to tighten till it's in there. So you want to give it a little bit of force. Then you want to pick another one to go ahead and push and twist until it's tight. Just make sure our mask is above our nose, my friend. Thank you. So you should have one on the top, one on the bottom. Yeah, and then you're going to pick one of these for the top and one of those for the bottom. Yeah, give it a little bit of force when you're pushing it in.
Yeah, like that.
There we go. Oh, let me see. And you're going to pick one of these for the top and one of those for the bottom.
There you go. Yeah, I was going to say they only have one breath. So that's a nice thing to figure it out.
You want to push it at the same time you're twisting it. Then you'll pick one of these for the top and one of those for the bottom. Beautiful. How do you feel? You like your choices? I like them too. Do you mind if I take a look at it just to double check it? Just make sure we're not leaning up this way, Fred. I'm sorry. Alright, so whenever Kanye says to activate, we're going to push that switch all the way up. Go ahead and try that out for me. Okay, beautiful. Go ahead and deactivate. We're going to place that right there. Congratulations. Nice work. You like your choices?
It does look like it was a surprise.
Are you sure?
All right, my friends, we're going to go ahead and go on to sections 1 and 2. Those are going to be your grips. Now I'm going to have 1 and 2. What's your name? So,
Why elementary?
that larger ant is going to go towards your side. Okay, so on yours, push up and twist it so it kind of locks in.
What are the things you like to do? Oh yeah, I was about to say. So I have previously, yeah, like that. That's right. We'll put a heart crystal.
Yeah, you don't want to overtake it all. It's not it kind of
We're still looking. I think sometimes it's dark. Nicely built. Oh, look how you have the light and the dark there. Is that
A little bit.
Was that on purpose or just happened?
It just kind of happened.
What color card is
Yeah, which is another one for
Green.
the other side.
Always been my favorite color, and it just, I felt it calling.
And that is the perfect favorite for you.
Whenever Kanye says to activate, you're going to push that switch all the way up.